head. And those pups.
Is the supervisor going to contact the Republic for help?
The supervisor is unable to risk any contact.
Damn the risk. These are our kids.
I'm submitting a petition for an immediate audience with the supervisor.
So, this is Atlas? Tastes like ashy dust.
Maybe this is another planet co-founded with that Atom. And anyone that lives here might know about home.
Don't run off!
33, keep Jod on the ship until we get back.
Initiating babysitting sequence. Come on, baby.
I can take you somewhere safe. Follow me, quick and quiet.
You don't have any ancient maps or any star charts or anything.
What about the knowledge hidden in the fallen sanctum?
Aina. It is a distant place. You would not survive the journey.
Jod, you actually...
We're saved!
Come, I will take you to the fallen sanctum. There are old carvings, coordinates for other planets.
I found an end!
No.
Yeah, they're gone.
Now we're stuck. You'll figure something out. You're amazing, Fern.
33, run memory override. You remember everything about An.
Ah, yes.
My name is Jod Narnarwood. And you are?
Neil!
Wim.
He's a Jedi. He has a friend that can help us get home.
Your home has been purposely hidden from the rest of the galaxy. This scroll depicts the jewels of the old Republic. Long ago, they were all destroyed, except for one.
We need a map.
We'll search my archive by astronomical feature. Tell me, what makes your planet special in all the galaxy?
Nothing. It's totally boring.
Oh! That's the emergency hull demolition sequencer. Never, ever, ever touch that.
This ship is the Onyx Cinder. Jack Reynard's the most infamous pirate the galaxy's ever known. Anything he wanted, he took it.
I have the ship, clad in armor and ready. But Captain Reynard scanned that Alan's coordinates, kept him hid in his lair, deep beneath Skull Ridge Mountain.
I can't go down there. You worried about corrosion from the steam?
You'll be fine. Is that dash synced? Here's the coordinates. Now about my payment.
You'll have your payment when I have silver.
At long last, I brought you to the only thing that matters. Cold, hard credits.
If you ever need help, you can call me anytime.
Because the starship is outside the barrier, the supervisor is unable to risk any contact.
We're gonna be in so much trouble, but I don't even care anymore.
But you should.
Get on the ground! You're all weak, sheltered, spoiled children. So, we're gonna land, I'm gonna contact the frigate, and you lot are not gonna say a word. Now, I need open communication with my other ship.
You must speak with the supervisor about the barrier, emissary.
I enjoyed seeing your parents' faces. Makes it very easy for me to know who to carve up.